Hey yo, क्या कर रहा है? Anyway, welcome back to my channel. Today, last time we had noodles, but it was too much, so today we're gonna have a little less.
Can't wait to raise dialogue. Let's start.
Let's start. Oh yeah. Today we have our guest with us.
John Lago dice.
Chi Jaldo?
Last day original.
Oh, finally. Oh, by the way, we also have kimchi. What's this? Shinju and plain rice for him. Wow, it's slowly. Stop.
This is limi and kimchi.
Yeah, limi and kimchi.
You can order.
We almost forgot to add the spice. Okay, na ba?
Ishi na diloni.
Yeah, kamti hai sir.
Mine are.
Okay. Omelette to bitroti jaisi to. Anyway, time to enjoy. This is the kimchi from
Limi and kimchi.
limi and kimchi. Oh man, it's dripping. Anyway, this is it.
Yeah, very nice order.
Yeah.
Kaizen are very nice.
I am not a big fan of kimchi, but I'll just give it a try. But it's really good, so you guys can order from Limi and Kimchi. Check out Instagram.
But tell you, shop at the corner. Go
Okay,
buy.
kimchi. Here you go.
How's it looking? Video looking good, that's actually. Give this money.
It's okay, friend. We'll have that.
More under the name of the horse.
Oh, oh, Joe. Let's test on that.
But fortunately, I'm going to buy that after it was placed on the plate.
Try Guna.
Janal, wow. Guys, all of them.
Oh, you go. Decoration.
Masti. Kupu kuna. Chalo ha.
Let's eat a raw kobe.
Idu reddish lazım ya. Smelling reddish. Very nice. Feeling opa. Feeling opa. Kimchi sudah. Ini nggak dong. Decoration udah ada na.
Okay. Give it a hold.
Bagus. Betul dengan apa?
Yeah, but likewise, not for everyone.
This
Some
is
people like.
San Jose University enjoyed.
Come on, my plate is. Oh, sorry, but it's a combination of everything.
Yes.
Meatless Hindu.
Nice.
Veg and veg Hindu.
Gimana the blood
40 veg and non-veg it's I guess 70.
Mesti. Kimchi sudah.
Alamo.
He don't like the smell, that's why he's not having kimchi.
I like it. Perlu difolder.
Maksa. Maksa.
Voilà.
Jangan lagi man.
Yeah.
Yo, Magi, I know you're watching this. Oh. Okay,
Coffee.
Itu bakto decoration nih.
My skin.
Betul deh.
Oh, itu.
What
Kalau item add ko wala.
Okay. It's all of fruit. This rice is actually for this food is actually for killing the pungent hotness.
Azenga.
Better.
No. video lang naman naman. Video hoặc là tìm hiểu chưa? Riêng ra.
Hình như một cái vấn đề nhau nó.
It was pretty good. Not bad, bro.
Nó trên đây biết rồi.
What's it?
Okay, Olivia. Come on, how? Yeah.
Cái nào bunji na gila. Mong sao này rồi. Bakal ya. Jadi lah on orang tu lah. Không chỉ mà nắng được chứ.
Ah, pass. They should do.
Tao nắng nữa.
Không còn nữa.
Không chung rồi.
6
minutes, 8 seconds, 9.
We're done. You check the refrigerator if there's any chilled water.
Give me your girlfriend is calling.
No man, your sister.
Your girlfriend's here, number 4. Jangan dah nak.
Nah. Ako na pre to. Come dia.
Original kimchi.
What?
Original kimchi.
Original kimchi or what? Mara. No, but before fermentation.
Terus ada kalau ni.
Ui,
Ah, kalau tu.
Tôi dùng bồ đi.
Dâu heo.
ai à, sour thôi, nó sour. Red.
Itu mau ni pun juga kau kan. Kan macam nak tinggal kan.
Oh, I forgot to taste rice.
그거나 시비야 나가거든. 아 목소리 그럴 때.
Boleh bah.
야,
But last time we got them this already headache.
So this time we only bought 8 pieces.
Everything is a limit, so accordingly.
But because of this extra person.
진짜 생각나.
Ah.
Cái nón của đấy.
Hello, yeah.
Ah.
Okay, bottom na.
Khatna khatam.
Alright,
Ah.
this is the last bite.
Namaste.
Thank you so much for watching. Alright,
Huni na, baru.
okay na. Sweating. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, man. I will see you guys in the next vlog. This was not even a vlog, it was a mixed mukbang video. We'll do better mukbang next time because we are planning, but still we are waiting for the confirmation call.
Hello Uzi, Azoe. How are you? Are you mad at us?
Okay. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.
Bye.